Hello, how are you? I am going to show you some pictures that begins with the sound. But first remember, this sound has two letters. T and H. When these two letters are together, they sound F or sometimes Th. Now, let's sing and dance the jingle.
Things for my birthday, big and small. Thank you, I love them all.
Very good, awesome. Let's see. Do you know what number is this? Very good. Number 3. Repeat after me. 3. 3. Excellent. Good job. Now, what is this? A birthday. Very good. Repeat after me. Birthday. Birthday. Excellent. Do you know what this is? A thumb. Repeat after me. Thumb. Thumb. Thumbs up. And the last one. What is this girl doing? Good. She's thinking. Repeat after me. Think. Think. You are awesome. Great job. Goodbye.